Welcome back to the course, and in this section we're going to talk about software engineering. Before we talk about software engineering, let's talk about engineering. What is engineering? And engineering is the application of the scientific knowledge to solve problems. That's basically what engineering is. It's just a creative power of science and technology. So engineers use mathematics and science to solve problems in real life. So you know how to program, you know how to code. Well, now you have to write code, and you have to write applications that solve problems, and you do that by writing software. So what is software engineering then? Well, software engineering, according to the IEEE definition, is that it's a systematic approach, systematic application of the scientific and technological knowledge, methods, and experience to the design, implementation, testing, and documentation of software. That's a mouthful, but it gives you an idea that you're taking requirements from someone or your own requirements. You're designing the software yourself, that what modules should be in there, what should not be there. You're developing it yourself, you're writing yourself the code for the application and how to write code, and you're testing the application for bugs and errors, and you're also documenting it, of course, and deploying and all that. So the combination of that is software engineering. We're looking for methods, we're looking for how we can do this efficiently, how we can do this in teams, how we can plan the software engineering process better. And so in the next section, we'll go through a software development lifecycle. What is it about? How you can go through different phases of software engineering and how they're interlinked together. So I'll see you in the next one.